If you're considering a logistics and supply chain management career, a logistics coordinator role could be the perfect fit. With an ever-changing industry, the role of a logistics coordinator is essential for every organization looking to increase cost efficiency and productivity. As a logistics coordinator, you will have extensive responsibilities, from managing the flow of goods to overseeing deliveries and stock control. Watch on to learn more about what life as a logistics coordinator looks like and why it is in demand today. What does a logistics coordinator do? A logistics coordinator is responsible for managing the flow of goods between various supply chain stages. It includes tracking orders, overseeing deliveries, and monitoring stock levels to ensure everything runs smoothly. Logistics coordinators also coordinate with suppliers and customers to ensure timely delivery of goods and services. Additionally, they may be asked to provide data analysis on transportation costs, inventory levels, pricing, and other related metrics. Why is a logistics coordinator in demand? Logistics coordinators are increasingly sought after as companies focus on becoming more efficient and cost-effective. As such, an experienced logistics coordinator can help organizations streamline their processes and identify areas for improvement. Additionally, with the rise of digitalization, there is an increased demand for logistics coordinators who are well-versed in the latest technological advancements and can successfully integrate them into their work. The importance of a logistics coordinator in supply chain management. There are many benefits of having a logistics coordinator in supply chain management. Here are some of the key advantages. Streamlined processes. A logistics coordinator can help streamline processes by ensuring that all supply chain processes are carried out correctly and efficiently. They can also help identify areas of waste or redundancy and ensure that the right resources are used to get products from point A to point B. Improved quality control. Logistics coordinators are responsible for ensuring that products are delivered to the correct destination in a manner and of good quality. They can also help manage inventory levels to ensure products arrive in good condition at their desired destination. Cost savings. A logistics coordinator will be able to identify cost-saving opportunities, such as using alternate routes or transportation methods where necessary. They will also be able to implement changes that lead to long-term cost reductions. Improved communication. They are a vital link in the supply chain, helping to ensure that all stakeholders are kept informed of progress and any issues that may arise throughout the process. It helps to ensure that problems are identified early and solutions can be implemented quickly. Risk management. Logistics coordinators play an important role in risk management by ensuring all risks are identified, assessed, and managed throughout the supply chain process. They will also help set procedures in place to minimize potential future risks. These are just some advantages of having a logistics coordinator in the supply chain management. They can help ensure that products arrive on time and at their desired destination while minimizing potential risks and costs. Logistics coordinator duties can be varied and comprehensive. However, the value that they bring to a business is invaluable. Essential skills for a successful logistics coordinator. Supply chain operations are complex and require significant coordination between numerous parties. As such, logistics coordinators must possess various essential skills to handle this role effectively. Leadership. The top priority for any successful logistics coordinator is the ability to lead and manage people in their organization. Logistics coordinators must be effective communicators as they must handle a wide range of personnel inside and outside their organization. Analytical skills. Analyzing data is an important part of their job. They must use information such as sales trends and customer demand to inform decisions about inventory levels and delivery schedules. They must be able to quickly analyze large amounts of data and draw meaningful conclusions from it. Organizational skills. They must also be highly organized to ensure that all necessary information is readily available and up to date and that orders are properly tracked and delivered on schedule. They must prioritize tasks, multitask, and maintain an organized work environment. Time management. They must have excellent time management abilities to manage multiple tasks simultaneously while ensuring all deadlines are met. They need to plan and anticipate potential problems before they occur. Technical skills. Along with the skills listed above, they must possess certain technical knowledge. It includes everything from the basics of Microsoft Office to more advanced software such as enterprise resource planning programs, inventory management systems, and transportation management systems. Logistics software is an ever-evolving field requiring them to stay updated with the latest programs and technology. Customer service. They are often the point of contact between their organization and clients or vendors, so they must possess excellent customer service skills. They must communicate effectively, answer questions, and resolve any issues quickly and efficiently to deliver customer satisfaction. They must oversee multiple processes in the supply chain operations, so having a variety of essential skills is necessary to ensure the successful completion of their role. With the right combination of leadership, analytical, organizational, time management, technical, and customer service skills, they can ensure the smooth flow of goods and services within any organization. To learn about tanker trucks, check out our previous video. Common challenges faced by logistics coordinators and how to overcome them. Logistics coordinator responsibilities are incredibly varied and complex. With so many tasks to manage, it is natural that coordinators may face challenges from time to time. Poor communication. Communication is key in any logistical operation. Without effective communication between all parties involved, coordination efforts can easily break down. To overcome this challenge, they must strive for clear and consistent communication with vendors, customers, and other stakeholders throughout the process. Time management. With multiple projects happening simultaneously and competing deadlines, it can be difficult for them to make sure everything gets done on time. To overcome this challenge, they must develop a system of task management that allows them to prioritize tasks according to urgency, stay organized, and meet deadlines. Risk management. They must constantly be on the lookout for potential risks that could disrupt the flow of operation. A comprehensive risk management strategy should be in place to allow for quick identification and mitigation of potential risks impacting logistics operations. Regulatory compliance. With ever-changing regulations and laws, they must ensure that their operations comply with the latest standards. Compliance issues can quickly lead to costly delays or disruptions in operations. To overcome this challenge, they should regularly review all relevant regulations, stay up to date on changing requirements, and ensure compliance throughout the process. The supply management principles and logistics management techniques can help them identify and address common challenges. By equipping themselves with the right tools, processes, and strategies, they can ensure that their operations run smoothly and efficiently. Every job description in the logistics department must include the ability to respond quickly, efficiently, and with minimum disruption. It can be the make or break of any successful logistics operation. To learn about reefer trucks, check out our previous video. Technology and tools used by logistics coordinators to streamline operations. Supply chain operations are highly complex, so logistics workers must use technology and tools to streamline their processes. Here are some of the most commonly used tech and tools in logistics. Transportation Management Systems. A TMS is a software that efficiently manages shipments from origin to destination. It helps track freight, manage rates and costs, provide shipment visibility, and more. TMS makes getting accurate reports from the supply chain warehouse, carriers, and customers easier. Warehouse Management Systems. WMS are used to manage and track inventory in warehouses efficiently. It helps to streamline activities like receiving, packing, shipping, and returns. Cloud Computing. Cloud computing is essential for logistics jobs as it enables them to store data securely offsite and access it anytime from any device with an internet connection. It eliminates the need for expensive on-premise storage. RFID. Radio frequency identification is a tracking technology that helps streamline processes like cargo tracking, inventory management, etc. It enables them to track shipments in real time, reducing the errors associated with manual data entry. Automated vehicle location. Automated vehicle location technology is used to track and monitor the location of vehicles. It helps them to know exactly where their shipments are at any given time, aiding in efficient planning and decision-making. Blockchain. Blockchain technology allows for secure tracking of goods throughout the supply chain, enabling up-to-date information sharing between stakeholders. It is increasingly used in the logistics industry to eliminate paperwork and provide greater transaction transparency. These are just some technology tools logistics coordinators use to streamline their operations. Utilizing these tools can enable them to provide a better customer experience, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. To learn about crane trucks, check out our previous video. Future trends in logistics coordination. Business administration and logistics have significantly changed due to several emerging technologies. As technology advances, the way companies coordinate their logistics will also change in the near future. Logistics coordination is expected to move towards more automated systems as artificial intelligence and machine learning become more prevalent. AI-driven solutions can help plan, optimize, and automate logistics operations. Autonomous vehicles are also being developed in the supply chain, reducing driver and delivery costs. Improved tracking systems and sophisticated inventory management tools will enable businesses to anticipate customer demand. Logistics is all about making sure that every shipment is delivered to its destination safely and on time. And in today's fast-paced world, technology plays a crucial role in achieving this goal. One of the most popular technologies used in logistics is GPS tracking. Using GPS technology, companies can monitor every movement of their cargo and drivers in real time. It helps them identify factors that can cause potential delays, monitor drivers' behavior, and ensure that their delivery services are running smoothly. Check out this top-rated GPS tracking tool we recommend. Affiliate disclaimer: Frate Chain is supported by our viewers. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and all its content. Thank you. Learn more. Are you tired of managing your delivery fleet the old-fashioned way? Say hello to Motive, the ultimate ELD provider that will revolutionize how you manage your logistics. With GPS tracking, service hours monitoring, and inspection reports accessible right from your mobile device, Motive makes it easy to stay on top of everything. Don't miss out on the fantastic benefits of using Motive. Check it out today. Final thoughts. As a logistics coordinator, it is essential to stay organized and maintain high efficiency while managing any organization's daily operations. Developing strong communication skills, keeping up to date with industry trends, and staying up to date on the latest technology can help improve your performance in this role. Knowing how to monitor progress, measure success, and make necessary adjustments can help ensure your organization runs smoothly. In short, logistics coordinators are essential to the success of any business. So if you think you have what it takes to take on this exciting role, go for it. Thank you for watching this guide. We hope it has helped you better understand the role of a logistics coordinator. Good luck on your future endeavors. Disclaimer: Frate Chain provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional advice. You should always consult a freight shipping expert before making any decisions.